Guys, tonight I decided just to do some meat for me and my husband. So I just made us a small hamburger steak, smothered in cheese and some red onion, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, and I decided to do some bratwurst on the side. So this is my plate, and this is my husband's plate over here. And that's what's for dinner tonight. Yum yum. Let's go eat. Tonight I made some Mississippi pot roast here in my crock pot, and normally I put rice in with the roast, which is really good if you don't mind eating rice, but since we're trying not to eat a lot of rice and carbs and stuff, I put some carrots in it. So we have Mississippi roast with carrots, so that's going to be our meat and vegetable. And I just cut up a plate of fresh tomatoes and cucumber that someone gave me out of their garden. I'm going to throw some salt and pepper on that, and that's going to be our dinner tonight. And we'll probably have some leftovers. My husband could take some to work tomorrow. But doesn't that look yummy? Plate full of good fresh vegetables. Plate full of good fresh meat. And carrots. Okay guys, this is what we are having for dinner tonight. I made some hamburger patties. I actually put a little bit of ranch seasoning in the meat with mushroom gravy and some cheese. We're having a little bit of greens and some corn, cream style corn. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Yummy yum. Hey guys, I am making dinner right now. I am making some cream corn and this Margaret Holmes Simply Suppers Dirty Rice Fixings. You just add the meat into it. And I want to show y'all, I don't know if it's just me or what, but this is the Great Value corn, cream style corn from Walmart. Look how thick that is. Last time I made it, me and my husband didn't like it because it's just so thick. I mean, I don't know if it used to be that way because I've always got canned corn from Walmart, but I just don't like how thick that is. Now this is one from Aldi's, the Happy Harvest. Now look how much better that looks. That's the way cream corn is supposed to look. This right here ain't nothing but a pile of mesh. Look at that. Thick. I mean, you'd have to add something to it so it wouldn't be so thick. It's just ridiculous. I don't know what's going on with Great Value, but I think I'm going to stick with the Aldi's corn because it looks better and has a better consistency. So I'll show you this dinner after I get it done. This is the dirty rice that I fixed up for dinner tonight. That's my husband's plate, and then here's my plate with just a little bit of cream corn on the side. It looks good. I hope it tastes as good as it looks. It's by Margaret Holmes. And that's our dinner tonight. Simple, easy meals, especially when you don't feel good. Tonight I am preparing some beef stew just out of the can. This Great Value beef stew I pick up. I just wanted to show you how I throw it together just to give it a little extra. This is all we're having tonight. This is 2 cans of beef stew. I like to pour in some lima beans. I pour in some green beans. And I have this little can of corn, so I'm going to pour that in. And normally I put about a half a can of Rotel, but I had some in the freezer already froze, so I'm going to throw that in. That gives it a little bit of heat. And then I'm just going to mix all this up and let it cook a little bit. And this is what we'll have for dinner. It's really good. Put a little bit of salt, pepper, and garlic, and that's about it. It's good with rice too if you want to cook rice and put rice in it, but we're not eating rice tonight.
Yeah, hooks it on it. I just popped it once, and when I hit it, I think I had that's a solid fish. That was the first solid hit. Snap it to her.
Okay guys, tonight for dinner we are having green beans, corn on the cob, and I made me just some leftover bratwurst, and I made my husband a hamburger steak with cheese, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce and garlic, and that's what's for dinner tonight. Okay guys, tonight we are having tenderloin and corn and great northern beans. You know, I just kept it simple this week because I've been sick, me and my husband both. He was actually out a few days at work, and he was watching TV. That's why I didn't do the sound on this clip. That's why I'm doing the voiceover now. But, you know, I just kept the meal simple this week because I haven't felt good. And I didn't realize how many times we ate corn this week because, you know, when you don't feel good, you just throw together whatever and eat it. And that's what we did this week. So, yeah, we ate a lot of corn, but it was all good. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing what I whipped together this past week. It wasn't nothing fancy at all. You know, it's just me and my husband, so I just whip us up something to eat and get us by. Neither one of us had real good taste buds this week because we was sick anyway, so I guess neither one of us could complain about all the corn, and I don't even know if my husband really realized how much we ate corn this week. But anyway, he was glad to get a hot meal. If it had been left up to me, I probably would have just ate a sandwich every night because I didn't feel like cooking, but he likes a hot meal, so I try to get in there and whip something up, you know. Sometimes we have better stuff than this. Sometimes it's just simple meals like this because it's just me and him, so there's no sense to get in there and do a bunch of big fancy cooking and recipes and all that. I'll do one every now and then. I actually have a recipe I want to share with you guys, a cabbage recipe that I tried out a few weeks ago. Really good, so I'm going to be doing a video on that and sharing that with you because it was so good. And we'll probably have that for dinner coming up once I go back to the grocery store. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little short video of the dinners I made this past week. I guess you could call this the the sick week edition because yeah, me and my husband both have really been sick. He actually had to be out a few days of work, but we are on the mends and feeling better. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, y'all give me a big thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And if you do subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos and posts and different things. Make sure it's set on all. That way you'll see all of the stuff that I upload. I guess I'm going to go. I hope you have a good weekend, and I'll see you guys in my next video. God bless. Bye.